We are in the financial data analytics model. It is divided into two parts. The first one is the management of the online financial products, and the second one is the management of more sophisticated financial instruments. That is the one that we are going to focus on. In this case, we are going to see an ABS, an asset-backed security instrument, whose underlying assets are personal loans with floating rates. It is broken down into three parts. The first one is the creation of the instrument and associated stakeholders. The second one is the management of that instrument. And the third one is the management and tracking of the underlying assets. To keep it short, we are going to focus on the management of the instrument and its underlying assets. We have already created the instrument. Just to show it, here we create the general information and the eligibility criteria, and then we associate all these stakeholders, for example, investors, originators, or vendors, also in a super simple way. Regarding the underlying assets, we have to upload the information. We can do it through files or through APIs or connecting directly to the database of the originator or using our origination model. After uploading the required information, we can assess the performance of the underlying assets by reviewing the general KPIs, for example, the disbursement behavior, portfolio, defaulted portfolio, and specific loans with default. We can also review vintages, a vintages analysis. In this example, we have 12 quarters review, and we are reviewing 6 vintages, and we are showing here the default of the portfolio behavior. And to delve into more detail, we can download the complete amortization tables of any asset. In this case, this is the one that we have created. And here we can download the amortization tables in a super easy fashion. After delving in the performance of the underlying assets leveraged on a daily settlement that the system conducts, we are going to see the performance of the actual instrument. We have different reports, the cash flow, the distribution of the cash flow, in the cash in and the cash out. We also can manage the payments to the stakeholders, for example, to a vendor, and we only have to click it and the system will conduct the waterfall defined in the ABS. And when the payment is done, the system prepare an instruction letter for the trust that is sent to the person in charge of signing these instruction letters, and the person only have to click here in sign, and the document will be signed with a two-factor authentication and all the cryptographic requirements for a proper electronic signature. And then the operator can search for those documents of that asset. Here, for example, the last payment was done this moment, and the payment will be shown instantly